Hi, hello everyone. Today we're gonna look at my digital grandpa who also shows you around my portfolio. So I really got interested in building agentic workflows, and I thought, why not make an agent that can give you a virtual tour of my portfolio? So the first thing I tried to do was that I went on N8N and I tried to create an agent. It worked out, it worked pretty well. I fed it a database of all of my projects and the links and the categories of those projects, but it kept glitching because the API that I was using was from Gemini and the free one, and it wasn't doing a great job at refreshing the APIs per minute. So it just stopped working after a while. Even the next day it wouldn't work. And I realized that I was putting a lot of hard work into this and I was going to lose the agent after 12 days because I had a 14-day free trial on N8N. Then I tried to create my digital grandpa on Gemini Studio, which also did not end up working out. And then I realized, hey, I have a Cursor subscription. Why don't I just go on Cursor and ask the agent if it can build me a digital sort of grandpa who can give the users who come on my portfolio a tour of my portfolio. And Cursor did a very wonderful job. Cursor is my best friend so far. Nothing is as intuitive or as straightforward and hardworking as Cursor is, because the interface is a bit technical, but once you get over the technical interface, even if you don't know how to code, Cursor can become very intuitive. But a little bit of background knowledge always helps. But hey, you can always learn from scratch. I recommend Cursor 100%. Oh my god, I'm not sponsored by Cursor, by the way. Nobody is sponsoring me, but I'm just talking about the tools that I like. So here, this is my portfolio. If you land on here, you're gonna see all of my projects stacked on top of each other, and they do have categories here, but it's tedious to find out what is what. So we're just gonna click here to let my virtual grandpa give you a personalized tour of my portfolio. When we click here, we see that this new window opens up. The left half or the left section is where he's going to show you the exact portfolio pages of the projects, and on the right you can chat with him, look what he can offer. He knows all my projects and he's extremely proud of me. That's how I wanted it to be. I wanted my bot to talk very nicely about me, and who else to do that than a grandpa? So he's gonna be very characteristic when talking to you. He's going to give you a lot of warm smiles. He's going to do warm gestures. He's going to offer you virtual cookies and chai, even chai. He's going to say really cute stuff like that. But he is also going to give you a background on the stuff I've done. She's a creative UX and digital content designer with 5+ years. So you get the point. He's going to talk a lot about me. But he's also going to show you the stuff that I've done. So he's going to offer a few suggestions to get you started. If you're interested in AI and automation, he has a link for it right here. If you're interested in AI automation, there's As Above, the sky watching app. And also he can show you the books that I've published. So first of all, I think I'm going to click on As Above, a sky watching app. It's one of the apps that I'm really proud of. So my website page is going to open on the left. Here you can see a video that I made about it. You can watch the video on this. It's not going to be a problem. And then obviously everything about the project is going to be written down below. And then you can just go and be like, hey, like, tell me her motion design stuff. And also try not to bombard my grandpa with a lot of requests, because then he's going to run out of tokens for that time. And let's check out Metamorphosis. It's a really cool project that I did, where I took Franz Kafka's Metamorphosis book and created a title video for it as if Oh, sorry about that. You need access. I need to upload this video, but um, I need to upload it on YouTube and then put it here. So that's something for me to do. But yeah, my grandpa's just gonna show you whatever you ask for. Let's say you want to see some interactive data projects. Let's see what happens when we say interactive data. So this is the exoplanet interactive model and website. I took a lot of exoplanet data from NASA, and then I made a 3D digital graph where you could like zoom in and out of the graph and see how far the planets are, how long ago they were discovered. So you can go click on that, and then you can click on the official website for it, which looks something like this. Super cool, dude. I did this work a long time ago. I still get impressed by myself at what I did. So this is the 3D graph that you can look at while on this beautiful interface, and you can basically zoom into the planets, see their variables like planet type, distance, radius multiplier, discovery year, mass multiplier, orbital period, so on and so forth. So yeah, it's a really cool project, and my digital grandpa is happy to show you any projects that you might be interested in, or if you see a video of mine and get interested in a project and want to see it on my portfolio, just describe it to my grandpa and he will show it to you. Yeah, it's wonderful to have this agent that's so supportive of you, almost like a grandpa. Like there's no way that it could be not loving and not expressive of all the good things you've done. And this grandpa is so excited to talk about any of my projects, and I absolutely love it. Use this tool, please. Check out my portfolio. And yeah, that was my grandpa.